Now in this short video I'm going to show you how this powerful software can rank any video in any niche, both on Google and on YouTube. Now the first thing we are going to talk about is the keyword suggestion module. This module comes in the front end and will help us find untapped keywords that we won't find anywhere else. Now let's say you want to sell a Samsung Galaxy S8 case. Well, we simply need to type in the main keyword and click on research keywords. That's it. Like in less than 10 seconds, we will receive a list of great keywords from various sources, like including YouTube competition, tags of videos, YouTube and Google suggestions, and a lot more. So we analyze a lot of things to obtain a perfect list of keywords. Now take a look here. Galaxy S8 tempered glass screen protector, cover Argos, plus clear cover, a silicon cover, screen protector. So as you can see, we have a lot of long tail keywords that are very good, and we can target them and rank them. Now for each keyword we see the rank. The higher the rank, the better the keyword. But it's also going to be harder to rank on it if the rank is higher. So I recommend to go with a medium rank keyword. Now in this case, let's see how many competing videos are for a certain keyword. Now we simply right click and we see the search results. So I will want to rank for the keyword Galaxy S8 plus LED cover. It has fewer searches, so fewer competitors, it has a good rank, and I'm sure it will bring us a lot of traffic. Now all we have to do now is copy this to clipboard and move to the best part of Video Marketing Blaster, and that's generating the video details with one single click. Now we simply need to click on From Competitors, we paste in the keyword, and we wait until VMB finishes generating. Just take a look here. So in less than a few seconds, we got an awesome title, description and tags. We simply upload the video, we use these details, and that's it. Everything is easy, and now we can generate video details for similar keywords. We can have here, like, let's say 10 video details. We upload 5-10 videos and we start ranking like crazy. Now let's say you have a title or a sentence that you don't like. That's not a problem. We can edit it. Just take a look here. We have a list with awesome titles. We can choose what title we want to use with one single click, and that's it. Now let's move to the Pro version. Like, this is the upgrade of Video Marketing Blaster. In the niche analysis module, we can spy on our competitors. Let's just type in our keyword and press Get Competition. In this module, we can see our competitors' weak spots, their good spots, take everything that they are doing good and apply it to our video. Now let's just take a look over the ranking report. In this report, we see a detailed information about everything that we need to rank. So as you can see, it's hard to rank on the first positions on YouTube because there are videos with millions of views. But it's going to be easy to rank on the first page of YouTube, so that's in the first 20 results. Now we see the number of views, the likes, the comments, the shares, the subscribers, everything that we need to rank on the first page of Google. And that's not all. If we scroll a bit, we can see what keywords we need to use in our description, we see what keywords we need to use in the tags, and we also see that if we want to rank on Google, we need to get about 50 backlinks. Take a look here. We see how many backlinks our Google competition has. Now, if we don't know where to get backlinks, it's not a problem. We can either get backlinks from the same sources as our competition, or we can go to the recommended backlink sources section, and right here we find blogs, we find sites, and all the sites and blogs accept comments with links. We simply comment on these links, we enter the link for our video, we enter a good comment, and that's it, we have a quality backlink. Now, for more advanced users, we can go into the in-depth analysis page. Here we see all the details for the top 20 competitors from YouTube. So we see how many partial and exact matches there are in the title, in the description, in the tags. We see how many views, comments, likes, Facebook shares, YouTube shares, subscribers. So we have everything. We simply have everything provided by this powerful software. In the Pro version, we also have a rank tracker module, because working in the dark really sucks. Like, I mean, we need to see if our videos are ranking, right? If they are getting views. So doing this manually for tens or hundreds of videos is hard and close to impossible sometimes. So you see the Google ranking, the YouTube ranking, you see how many views it got, you see how many comments it got. So you see if your video is performing good. If it's not performing good, you do a few more tweaks, you optimize the title even more, the description even more, and you're going to rank even better. So I really hope you see the power of this software. Like, believe me, we worked years to make it perfectly, and honestly, you won't find a similar software on the market.